Hi guys. So another question which has been asked in my CUT PG, that means in 2025, is on the partition work. Okay, this was the question which has been asked, and when I was attempting this question, I didn't knew that the works which are given whether they belongs to the category of partition works or not. But I was sure that this work Kuli doesn't belong to this category of partition work, and that made me solve this question very quickly. Okay, now let's look at the options. ठीक है, उनके बारे में थोड़ा सा जान लेते हैं. What were the options about? Okay, so first is the options we had Midnight Furies. The complete title of this work is Midnight Furies, The Deadly Legacy of India's Partition. This work is by an Indian American author, Nissid Hazari, published in 2015. And the very next year, in 2016, this work got Goldby Award. Okay, it's a non-fiction work. And I tried to find out some other works by Nissid Hazari, but I couldn't find any. So if you find any of his other work, do remember them. Okay. Next we had Broken Mirror, which is by Krishna Baldev Ved. This work published in 1994. So this writer writes in Hindi. Okay, the Hindi title of this work is Guzra Hua Zamana, which published in 1981. It's again a non-fiction work, and this also obviously talks about the partition. Okay, some other works by Krishna Baldev Ved is Uska Bachpan 1957, which in English translated as Steps in Darkness 1962. Second work is Bimal Urf Jaye To Jaye Kahan 1972, and in English this work translated as Bimal in Vogue 1974. Third, we have Ice Candy Man, which is also known as Cracking India by Bapse Sidhwa, an Pakistani author. This work, Ice Candy Man, published in 1988. Okay, and in this work, there is a girl, 4-year-old girl, Lenny, who narrates the event. Okay, how the things were before the partition and how things shifted after the division. Okay, some other works by Bapse Sidhwa are The Crow Eaters 1978, The Bride 1983. Okay, last we had Kuli by Mulk Raj Anand. It's a second novel by Mulk Raj Anand, which published in 1936. In this work, there is a boy, 14-year-old boy Munno, who narrates his pledge during the poverty. Okay, and for us it is important to know the trilogy, the chronology, okay, of the Mulk Raj Anand. सारे ही वर्क उनके बारे में हमें पता होने ज़रूरी हैं, इसलिए मैंने मेंशन नहीं करे, हमें सारे पढ़ने हैं.